Welcome to our tutorial on how to see your balance on TradingView. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process of checking your account balance on this popular trading platform. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, knowing your balance is crucial for effective trading. First, you will need to log into your TradingView account. Open your web browser and navigate to the TradingView website. Enter your login credentials and click on the login button. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your TradingView dashboard. Here, you can access different features and tools that TradingView offers, including viewing your balance. To see your balance, locate the bottom panel of your dashboard. There, you should see an area labeled as Portfolio or Account. Click on that section to open your portfolio overview. This section displays not only your balance, but also your assets, performance, and any open positions you may have. Take a moment to explore this area to familiarize yourself with all the information available to you. Finally, if you trade with a brokerage linked to your TradingView account, you may see your balance update in real time as market conditions change. Remember to check your balance regularly to stay informed about your trading position. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to see your balance on TradingView. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and tutorials.